Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2 5G. Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2 5G laptop models have been launched in South Korea. Laptop model come with dedicated NVIDIA GeForce graphics cards and Intel 11th General Tiger Lake CPUs. They are offered in multiple configurations and boast of a stylish design with powerful performance. Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2 5G is a Windows 10 laptop with a 13.30-inch display. Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2 5G price. Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2 5G comes in a royal silver color option for the sole 13.3-inch display that is priced at 2.75 million South Korean won, roughly 1.83 lakh rupees. The laptop models will be up for pre-orders, in Korean, from the December 21st to the December 31st, with availability beginning January 1, 2021. Galaxy Book Flex 2 5G, specifications. Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2 is a 2-in-1 laptop that comes with Samsung Smart S Pen. It features up to a 15.6-inch display and is powered by Intel's 11th General Tiger Lake processor with NVIDIA GeForce MX 450 GPU. It comes with a 4th generation SSD for storage. You get a 13-megapixel camera as well. The 5G model of the Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2 has the same specifications and features along with cellular connectivity. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.